Nature of corroding environment. Corrosion, destruction, deterioration, and loss of solid metallic material starting at its surface by chemical or electrochemical attack. Example of rusting of iron, green deposits on copper surface, etc. Or combined state of metal extraction, corrosion of metal. Theories of corrosion or mechanism of corrosion. Dry or chemical corrosion, wet or electrochemical corrosion, dry or chemical corrosion. It is due to direct chemical action of environment atmospheric gases, electronegative, like O2, Cl2, H2S and N2, and anhydrous inorganic liquids on the surface metal, electropositive. Chemical corrosion is best explained by oxidation corrosion. Oxidation corrosion. It occurs due to direct action of oxygen at low or high temperature on metal in the absence of moisture. Mechanism: 2m gives rise to 2m plus n plus Ne minus n by 2 of O2 plus 2 Ne gives rise to NO minus 2 oxide ions. 2m plus n by 2 O2 gives rise to 2Mn plus NO2 minus metal oxide. Oxidation occurs at the surface of metal and the resulting metal oxide scale that acts as a barrier for further oxidation. For further oxidation to continue, the metal ion must diffuse outwards or oxide ions must diffuse inwards. Former occurs more readily because of the small size of metal ions. In oxidation corrosion, the nature of the oxide film plays an important role. It may be stable. A stable layer of metal oxide is formed using a impervious and it protects the metal from further corrosion, example Al or Sn. B. Unstable. The oxide layer decomposes back to metal and oxygen. MO gives rise to M plus oxygen, example Au, Ag, Pt. C. Volatile. Oxide layer evaporates as soon as it is formed, then by the metal surface is exposed for further attack, example MOO3. Porous. Oxide layer has pores or cracks, so oxygen has access to underlying metal, hence corrosion continues. Piling. Bedworth rule. It tells about the nature of the oxide layer, protective or non-protective. If the volume of the oxide film is greater than the volume of metal surface, then the oxide layer is protective and non-porous. On the other hand, if the volume of the metal oxide is less than the volume of the metal, then the layer is non-protective and porous. Example: alkali and alkaline earth metals form non-porous oxide film. AI forms protective oxide films. Wet or electrochemical corrosion. This corrosion occurs when the environment favors the formation of anodic and cathodic areas on the metal. First one, a metal is exposed to two different concentrations of environment. Two different metals are in contact in a medium. Liberation or evaluation of hydrogen occurs in acidic medium. Example: Fe gives rise to Fe plus 2 electrons, 2H plus 2 electrons gives rise to H2, where combinedly forms Fe plus 2H plus gives rise to Fe plus 2 plus H2. Absorption of oxygen occurs in neutral aqueous solution, NaCl solution, in the presence of atmospheric oxygen. Example: rusting of iron in presence of NaCl solution. Fe gives rise to Fe plus 2 electrons, 1 by 2 O2 plus H2O plus 2E minus gives rise to 2 OH minus, reduction at cathode. The Fe combines with OH minus to form FeOH twice, precipitate. Fe plus 2 OH minus gives rise to FeOH2. In presence of sufficient amount of oxygen, 4Fe of OH2 plus 2 O2 plus 2 H2O gives rise to 4 Fe of OH thrice. In presence of limited amount of oxygen, black anhydrous magnetite is formed. Factors affecting the corrosion. The rate of corrosion mainly depends on two factors: nature of the metal, nature of corroding environment. Nature of metal, galvanic series. First one, position in galvanic series. When two different metals are in contact in presence of medium, the more active metal, top in galvanic series, undergoes corrosion. The rate of corrosion depends on difference in their position. Second one, over voltage. When Zn is placed in one end, H2SO4, it undergoes corrosion by evaluation of H2. The rate of corrosion is low because of high over voltage 0.77 V of Zn metal. If few drops of CuSO4 is added, the corrosion of Zn is accelerated because Cu deposited on Zn acts as minute cathode, where the evaluation of H2 is 0.33 V. Reduction in over voltage accelerates the corrosion rate. Third one, relative areas of anodic and cathodic parts. Smaller the anodic areas and larger the cathodic areas, so will be the corrosion. Purity of the metal. Impurities in metal cause heterogeneity and forms minute electrochemical cells, and anodic areas get corroded. 5. Physical state of metal. Rate of corrosion depends on grain size, orientation of crystal, stress, etc. Smaller than grain size and an area under stress, greater will be the corrosion. Nature of surface film. The ratio of voltage of metal oxide to metal is called specific volume ratio. Greater the specific volume ratio, lesser will be the oxidation corrosion. Example, specific volume ratio of NiCr are 1.6, 2.0 and 3.6. Oxidation corrosion is least is W. Passivity. Metals like Ti, Al, Ca and Mg are passive and they have high corrosion resistance. This is due to formation of protective oxide film having salt healing nature. Nature of corroding environment. First one, temperature. The rate of corrosion increases with increasing temperature. Humidity of air. The rate of corrosion increases with increasing humidity, and the relative humidity above which the rate corrosion increases sharply is called critical humidity. Rate of impurities in atmosphere. Presence of gases like CO2, H2S and fumes of HCl increases acidity of liquids surrounding metals and increase corrosion. Presence of suspended particles. Chemical active particles. NaCl absorbs moisture and forms strong electrolyte, enhances corrosion. Influence of pH. Corrosion is more in acidic medium than neutral or alkalic medium. 6. Example. Zn corroded rapidly in weakly acidic solution and suffers minimum corrosion at pH equals to 11. Nature of ions. Presence of silicate leads to formation of insoluble corrosion products which inhibits further corrosion. Conductance of the metal. Dry sandy soils are less corrosive than clayey and mineralized soils. Formation of oxygen concentration cells. With increase in supply of oxygens to metal surface, the corrosion is promoted. Less oxygenic parts acts as cathode and more oxygenated parts acts as anode. This results in formation of oxygen concentration cell. Galvanic corrosion or bimetallic corrosion. When two dissimilar metals are connected in an electrolyte, the metal higher in electrochemical series undergoes corrosion. Example, Zn and Cu. Zn acts as anode and is protected, and Cu acts as cathode. At Zn gives rise to Zn plus 2 electrons. At cathode, 2H plus gives rise to H2. Concentration cell corrosion. It is due to electrochemical attack on a metal surface exposed to an electrolyte of varying concentration or of varying aeration. This may be result of local differences in metal ion concentrations. Differential aeration corrosion. The most common type of concentration cell corrosion occurs when different parts of the metal are exposed to different oxygen or air concentration. Less oxygenated part acts as cathode and undergoes corrosion, whereas a more oxygenated part acts as cathode. Different current flows from anode and cathode. Example, Zn rod in NaCl. More concentration area as cathode Zn rod, NaCl. Less concentration area at anode Zn plus 2 plus 2 electrons. When Zn is immersed partially in neutral NaCl solution, then the area below waterline is less oxygenated, acts as anode and undergoes corrosion. The area just above the waterline is more oxidation, acts as cathode. Corrosion inhibitors. A corrosion inhibitor is a substance which, when added in small quantity to the aqueous corrosion environment, and effectively decrease the corrosion of metal. Inhibitants are anodic inhibitants, cathodic inhibitants. Anodic inhibitants. They control the corrosion reaction occurs at anode by forming a sparkling soluble compound with newly produced metal ions. They are absorbed on the metal surface, formed a protective film barrier, thereby reduce the corrosion. Example, transition metal ions with chromates, phosphates, tungstates, etc. Cathodic inhibitants. In acidic medium, the corrosion rate can be reduced either by slowing down the diffusion or hydrated of oxygen ions to cathode, or by increasing the over voltage of hydrogen evaluation. In natural solutions, corrosion can be controlled by either by eliminating oxygen from the corroding metals or by retarding its diffusion to the cathode areas. Thank you.